The Leica Q series has always held a special place in the world of photography, sparking passionate debates among enthusiasts and professionals alike. Every new release brings one burning question. Should you invest in the current model or wait for the next evolution? That question has resurfaced stronger than ever as attention shifts from the celebrated Q3 to the highly anticipated Leica Q4. Traditionally, Leica has followed a steady 4-year release cycle for its Q lineup, but as innovation accelerates and competition grows fiercer, speculation suggests the company may break its pattern. If these rumors are true, the Q4 could arrive sooner than expected and become one of the most exciting camera launches in Leica's modern history. When the original Leica Q arrived in 2015, it changed the game for compact full-frame cameras. Leica combined its legendary craftsmanship with cutting-edge imaging technology, creating a minimalist yet powerful design. The camera's fixed 28mm lens paired with a full-frame sensor was a daring move that emphasized simplicity over flexibility, yet it delivered stunning image quality and unmistakable Leica color science. It quickly became a favorite among photographers who valued both performance and portability. The Q's elegant design and seamless operation offered the perfect balance of tradition and innovation, setting a new standard for premium compact cameras. The Q2, released in 2019, built on that legacy. It featured a 47-megapixel sensor, improved weather sealing, and a more refined body that enhanced comfort and usability. Leica proved that incremental improvements could elevate the experience without losing the soul of the original. Then came the Q3 in 2023, taking things to an entirely new level with a 60-megapixel backside illuminated sensor, phase detection autofocus, and 8K video recording. The Q3 blurred the line between still photography and video creation, appealing to hybrid shooters who demanded both craftsmanship and cutting-edge capability in one compact body. Now the spotlight has shifted to the rumored Q4, and expectations couldn't be higher. Leica is known for its philosophy of evolution over revolution, but given the pace of innovation in the industry, many believe the Q4 will take a bold leap forward. According to early leaks, the Q4 could feature a stacked CMOS sensor, an upgrade that would dramatically boost readout speeds, dynamic range, and rolling shutter performance. This new technology could position Leica's compact line alongside flagship mirrorless cameras from brands like Sony and Canon, redefining what's possible in a fixed-lens system. A stack sensor would also open the door to major video and autofocus improvements. Faster processing would allow smoother video recording, reduced lag, and lightning-fast autofocus response. Leica is expected to introduce AI-powered subject detection, refined eye and animal tracking, and predictive algorithms that make focusing faster and more accurate than ever before. These advancements would turn the Q4 into a true all-around performer, capable of handling fast-paced action, street photography, and even professional-level video work. Video performance is another area where Leica could take things up a notch. The Q3 surprised many with its 8K recording capabilities, but it struggled with heat management during long sessions. The Q4 could solve this issue with better thermal control, allowing creators to shoot extended takes without interruption. It may also bring high frame rate 4K options for cinematic slow motion, transforming it into a serious hybrid tool for photographers and filmmakers alike. Imagine Leica's timeless design and impeccable build quality combined with high-end video features. An irresistible proposition for creators looking for versatility without sacrificing elegance. Low-light shooting is another domain where the Q4 could shine. The 28mm f/1.7 Summilux lens already delivers incredible performance in dim environments, but paired with a new sensor and upgraded image processing, the results could be even more impressive. Cleaner high ISO output, better color accuracy, and richer shadow detail would make it a dream companion for travel, street, and documentary photographers who often shoot in unpredictable lighting. Design-wise, Leica is expected to retain its minimalist identity, focusing instead on subtle refinements that enhance handling and usability. Rumors suggest a slightly deeper grip for better comfort, lighter materials for improved balance, and repositioned buttons for smoother operation. These may seem like small changes, but in Leica's world, precision and feel are everything. Every curve, click, and dial is carefully considered to deliver an intuitive, tactile shooting experience. The electronic viewfinder could also see a notable upgrade. The Q3's 5.76 million EVF was already impressive, but the Q4 may introduce a 9.44 million display with a faster refresh rate, offering a lifelike, lag-free viewing experience. The rear screen could evolve from a tilting mechanism to a fully articulating one, catering to vloggers and solo content creators who need flexibility for framing themselves. Enhanced touchscreen response and improved menu navigation could further streamline the user experience, making the camera even more intuitive to use. Connectivity is another area where Leica is likely to innovate. With professionals increasingly relying on mobile workflows, the Q4 could introduce faster Wi-Fi, improved Bluetooth stability, and tighter integration with Leica's app ecosystem for effortless image transfers and remote control. Enhanced tethering options might also appeal to studio photographers who require immediate image previews and reliable workflow management during shoots. The big questions, as always, are about release timing and pricing. Leica's past pattern suggests a 2027 release, following the Q in 2015, Q2 in 2019, and Q3 in 2023. However, many insiders believe the company could accelerate that schedule, possibly unveiling the Q4 as early as late 2026. Pricing will reflect Leica's premium status. The Q3 launched around $5,995, and the Q4, with its rumored advancements, could easily surpass $6,500 or even approach $7,000. Yet for Leica enthusiasts, the value lies beyond the specs. It's about craftsmanship, exclusivity, and the unique shooting experience that only a Leica can deliver. If the leaks are accurate, the Leica Q4 could set a new benchmark for compact full-frame cameras. By combining a next-generation sensor, AI-driven autofocus, improved stabilization, advanced video features, and thoughtful design refinements, Leica could produce one of the most powerful and desirable cameras in its class. It would appeal to both purists who appreciate simplicity and creators who demand cutting-edge performance in a small form factor. Anticipation for the Q4 is already building across the global photography community. Leica's ability to blend precision engineering with artistic soul has made its Q line legendary, and the Q4 looks ready to continue that legacy. Whether it launches sooner than expected or right on schedule, one thing is certain: the Leica Q4 won't just be another update. It could mark a defining moment in the evolution of compact full-frame photography, proving once again that Leica remains unmatched in the pursuit of perfection.